What's up, math scholars and math haters? This is Mr. W. Today we're going to tackle question 9 in the 7th grade math questions that North Carolina released this past school year. We can see that we're just being asked to find which expression is equivalent to all of this. It looks pretty monstrous, but we'll make it through. And the way we're going to make it through is that we'll need to use the distributive property and combining like terms, both of which are skills that fall under this umbrella of simplifying expressions, and that's what this whole question is about. So let's go ahead and get started with the distributive property. If I see that we have a number that's being multiplied by some stuff inside parentheses that's being added or subtracted, then I'm going to have to multiply 2 times 3 and multiply 2 times x, and then keep my minus sign that's in the middle of all of this. So 2 times 3 would give me 6. I keep my minus sign, and then 2 times x gives me 2x. So 2 times 3 minus x would give me 6 minus 2x. And then I left minus 12 plus 4x alone. So there's that. All right, and now we get to the idea of combining like terms. Specifically, if I see minus 2x and plus 4x, and then if I see 6 and then minus 12, I'm going to have to put these together and, so to speak, combine them. So if I see 4x and minus 2x, 4x minus 2x is like saying $4 minus $2, and $4 minus $2 is, of course, just $2, so 4x minus 2x would just be 2x. And now that I see that my answer has to have 2x somewhere in it, I can go ahead and eliminate choice A and choice B, because choice A and choice B don't have 2x as part of their answer. So now I need to look at my numbers. I'll scoot the board over for this. Specifically, I'm looking at 6 and minus 12. Now the first thing that I'm going to do when I'm seeing that I'm doing a subtraction problem with integers is I'm going to change this to plus negative 12. It's always easier to add integers than it is to subtract. So now I have 6 and negative 12 that I'm adding together. And my first step when figuring out the answer to a smaller problem like this is to find the difference between the absolute values of the two numbers that I'm adding. So 12 minus 6 is going to give me 6. And now, in order to see what sign is going to go on this, I need to look for my absolute value that has the larger value. In this case, that's 12. And since a negative sign is attached to 12, and 12 is the larger absolute value, my answer number is going to have a negative sign with it. So this gives us 2x and then minus 6. The only answer choice that contains both of those is choice C. So our answer is 2x minus 6.